We put a lot of effort into providing superior quality and amazing prices. So when someone really appreciates our 5-star service, well, we just love to share it with you. Here's what they had to say. We really appreciate it when someone takes the time to share their experience. We're happy to know that our commitment to quality doesn't go unnoticed, and it definitely motivates us to keep pushing for better and better. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. Thank you for dropping in today. We are always looking forward to chatting with you. Contact us anytime.